Okay, so now we're going to do some problems together. So this first row, again, first up is to find common denominators, which we do because they're both 13. So we're going to subtract the top. 9 minus 2 is going to be 7 over 13. And then we look to see if we can simplify, and we can not. So we get 7 over 13. Okay, next one we have 15 over 16 minus 5 over 16. So again, common denominators. They're both 16, which we do have. And then 15 minus 5 is going to give us 10. And then we look to see if we can simplify, and we can, because again, these are both even. So that means we can divide it by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 8. 16, not 8. Whoop. Let's try that again. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 16 divided by 2 is 8. And then that cannot be simplified again. Okay, so common denominators with the mixed numbers. So same rules apply. We must have common denominators, which we do. So we have 21. We can subtract our numerators first. 10 minus 7, which is 3. Now we subtract our whole numbers. 9 minus 4 is 5. And then again, we look to see if we can simplify, and we can. Divide it by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 21 divided by 3 is 7. There we go. And then we bring down that 5. So we get 5 and 1/7. Okay, so let's look at this middle one next. So again, we're looking at common denominators. So again, we do have that. So we have our 7. Okay, remember we have to subtract our numerators first. So 1 minus 4 we cannot do. I know we've been looking at integers and we can do 1 minus 4, but with fractions we cannot. We cannot take that piece of away from a pi. So to do that, we're going to borrow. So 4 will become 3. Then we keep our denominator. And then we add the top. 7 plus 1 makes 8. Now we subtract. So we subtract our numerator. So 8 minus 4 is 4. We keep that denominator. And then there's nothing to subtract 3 from. If you want to put a 0 in front, you can, but we're not going to. So 3 minus nothing is nothing. And then again, we look to see, can we simplify? And we cannot.